In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Clickup Tasks. Whether you're looking to back up your data, analyze project performance, or share information with a team that doesn't use Clickup, exporting tasks can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. So, let's dive in and explore how to efficiently export your Clickup tasks. First, make sure you're signed into your Clickup account. Once you're in, head over to the space or project where the tasks you want to export are located. It's crucial to be in the right area to avoid any confusion later on. Now, we'll move to the very top of your Clickup interface. Look for the three-dot menu icon, typically referred to as the More Options button. It's often located toward the upper right corner of your display. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear with various choices to manage your project. Among these options, you should see something like Export View or simply Export. Click on it, and you'll notice a few different file types you can choose from. Clickup generally supports exporting to CSV, Excel, or PDF formats. Think about what format serves your purpose best. CSV is usually great for spreadsheet manipulation and data analysis, whereas a PDF can be handy for sharing read-only files. After picking your desired file type, Clickup may prompt you to select specific details you want to include in your exported file. Tasks might encompass vast data, including title, status, due dates, assignees, and more. Tailor this selection to meet your needs. Perhaps you only need task titles and due dates. Make sure you adjust these settings before you export to avoid clutter and irrelevant data in your file. Once you've set up everything to your satisfaction, go ahead and confirm your export by clicking the appropriate button. The download should begin. Depending on your internet speed and the amount of data, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. If you selected a format that opens in a spreadsheet software, such as CSV or Excel, double-check the file once it's downloaded to ensure all the data you need is correctly present and organized. A little tip: take this opportunity to back up your data on an external source like a cloud storage service or an external hard drive. This way, you'll have access to your tasks even if your Clickup account encounters any issues in the future. So, whether it's for analysis, sharing, or backup, exporting your tasks from Clickup is a fairly straightforward process once you know how to navigate it. With this newfound knowledge, you can manage and share your project data with more flexibility and ease. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting!